Alright, hello everyone and welcome back to another Edith Noble video. In this week's video, I'm going to be doing how I do my homemade gel nails. I don't know if homemade's the right word, but basically I have a gel nail kit that I use at my house because I never really go to the salon, ever. But I'm going to be showing you how I do mine. I wouldn't say I do them really fancy or in any special way. I just do base coat, color, glitter if I'm doing glitter or anything like that, and then the top coat, but I'll show you where everything's from. So if you want to do it like me, you can do that. So let's get into it. Alright, so I'm also in a wedding on Saturday, so I'm doing them for then. It is currently Wednesday. And so this is what I'm doing. I'm doing this like shiny pink. I'll do a close-up later, but it's like this shiny pink nail polish, and then I also am doing this glitter nail polish. And both of these are from Gel-Len, and my light, my UV light as well, is from Gel-Len, and so is the box that this came in. And all of the like extra stuff, like the top and base coat and stuff like that, is from Model Ones. I use that as well. So let's get into it.
Perfect.
Love this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I'm not saying that I'm the best nail artist in the world. I'm actually probably not even close, but I like doing my nails and I think that gel nail polish is really good. So hope you love this, and I will see you next video. Bye. And I'm not saying that I'm the best makeup artist and makeup, oh my goodness.